Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to start Radahn Festival on Elden Ring. The Radahn Festival at Radahn Castle is a major event that allows you to face one of the game's toughest bosses, General Radahn. You can trigger the festival in two main ways, by resetting the Atlas Plateau or by progressing through Ranni's quest line. Here's how to do both. Starting via the Atlas Plateau. The simplest way to unlock the Radahn Festival is to enter the Atlas Plateau. This method is straightforward and doesn't require you to follow Ranni's quest line. Just reach the Atlas Plateau and use the Grand Lift of Dectus, which requires both Dectus Medallion halves, or take the hidden ruins through Precisab path in North Lurenia. Now rest at the Site of Grace in the Atlas Plateau region. Note that resting at a Site of Grace in Mount Gelmir will not trigger the festival as it's a separate region. Once you rest there, the Radahn Festival at the Radahn Castle will automatically begin, allowing you to take part in the battle. The second way is starting via Ranni's questline. For players who prefer a story-driven approach, the Radahn Festival can also be triggered by following Ranni, the Witch's quest. Just clear Karya's manor in Lurenia and agree to serve Ranni, then speak to Blythe at the Sorfra River, then visit Sylvius at the Sylvis Rise near Ranni's Rise. Speak to the sorceress Selen in the Waypoint Ruins, Cellar in Limegrave, and return to Blythe in Sorfra River and inform him of your findings. After completing these conversations, the Radahn Festival will start automatically at Radahn Castle. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.